You need to hear this if you're tired of debt. Join me as I tackle Gail Vaz-Oxlade's debt-free guide in 2024. Can I stick to it and transform my finances? Hit subscribe and let's find out together. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. By clicking on the affiliate link in the description below to purchase the book, you're helping support this channel at no extra cost to you and at the lowest price to you. Thank you for your support. Debt. It's a word that carries a lot of weight. It's a heavy word, isn't it? It can evoke feelings of stress, anxiety, and even hopelessness. It can feel like a weight on your shoulders, holding you back from living your best life. The constant worry about how to make ends meet can be overwhelming. But what if you could break free from that weight? Imagine a life where you are no longer burdened by debt. What if you could achieve true financial freedom? Picture yourself living without the constant stress of unpaid bills. Gail Vaz-Oxlade, a renowned financial expert, believes everyone can achieve financial freedom. She has dedicated her career to helping people just like you. In her book, Debt-Free Forever, Gail provides a clear, actionable roadmap to help you escape the debt trap and build a brighter financial future. Her strategies are practical and proven to work. This essay will explore Gail's key principles, offering practical advice and real-life examples to empower you on your journey to becoming debt-free forever. You'll learn how to budget effectively, manage your expenses, and save for the future. Are you ready to take control of your finances and create a life of financial peace? Let's get started. Together we can break free from the chains of debt and build a future full of possibilities. The first step to conquering debt is understanding it. This means facing your financial situation head-on and knowing exactly how much you owe. It's time to gather your credit card statements, loan documents, and any other outstanding bills. Calculate your total debt. This number might be scary, but it's crucial to have a clear picture of where you stand. Next, identify the interest rates on each debt. High-interest debts, like credit cards, are the ones that need your immediate attention. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your debt, you're already taking a significant step towards financial freedom. Gail Vaz-Oxlade is a firm believer in the power of budgeting. She has spent years teaching people how to take control of their finances and live within their means. A budget is not about restricting yourself, it's about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions. It's about making conscious choices with your money, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Write down everything you spend, from your daily coffee to your rent or mortgage payments. No expense is too small to track. This detailed tracking helps you identify areas where you might be overspending. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can begin to create a realistic budget that reflects your financial goals. A realistic budget is one that you can stick to, and it should prioritize your needs over your wants. Prioritize your needs over your wants. This means focusing on essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries before considering discretionary spending. Gail's famous magic jars method can be a helpful tool for managing your money. This method involves dividing your income into different categories. These categories include necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. By allocating your money in advance, you can ensure that you're saving for the future while still enjoying the present. By allocating your money in advance, you'll have better control over your finances and avoid overspending. This proactive approach helps you stay on track with your financial goals. With a well-planned budget, you'll find yourself celebrating financial successes more often and feeling more confident about your financial future. Now that you have a budget in place, it's time to tackle your debt head-on. Gail recommends the debt snowball method, which focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. While it might seem counterintuitive, this method provides a psychological boost. As you pay off each small debt, you gain momentum and motivation to tackle the larger ones. Simultaneously, make minimum payments on all your other debts to avoid penalties. Once you've cleared the smaller debts, roll the money you were paying towards them onto the next largest debt. This snowball effect will help you accelerate your debt repayment journey and free yourself from the burden of debt faster. Section 5. Cash is king. The power of spending with intention. Credit cards can be convenient, but they can also lead to overspending and debt accumulation. Gail advocates for a cash-only system, especially when it comes to discretionary spending. When you use cash, you're more aware of how much you're spending. It's harder to overspend when you can physically see your money dwindling. This method encourages mindful spending and helps you stay within your budget. Consider using cash for categories like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. By leaving your credit cards at home, you'll be less tempted to make impulse purchases and more likely to stick to your financial goals. Section 6. Building your safety net. The importance of an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. An unexpected car repair, a medical bill, or a job loss can quickly derail your financial progress. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Gail stresses the importance of building a financial cushion to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This fund will provide peace of mind, knowing you can handle life's curveballs without going into debt. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month, and gradually increase your savings over time. Section 7. Staying debt-free. Making smart financial choices. Becoming debt-free is a significant achievement, but the real challenge lies in staying that way. This requires ongoing effort and a shift in mindset. Make conscious spending decisions. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you truly need it or if it aligns with your financial goals. Avoid impulse buys and prioritize experiences over material possessions. Live below your means. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you have to buy it. Choose a lifestyle that allows you to save and invest regularly. Remember, financial freedom is about having choices and living a life free from financial stress. Section 8. Freedom awaits. Achieving lasting financial peace. Imagine a life where you're no longer burdened by debt payments. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions, save for your future, and enjoy financial security. This is the reality of living debt-free. It's a journey that requires discipline, commitment, and a willingness to change your relationship with money. But the rewards are immeasurable. When you're in control of your finances, you're in control of your life. You have the power to create a future filled with possibilities and achieve lasting financial peace. Section 9. Gail's Tough Love Practical Tips for Financial Success. In this section, we delve into the practical and straightforward advice from Gail Vaz-Oxlade, a renowned financial expert. Gail Vaz-Oxlade is known for her no-nonsense approach to personal finance. Her methods are direct, effective, and designed to help you take control of your financial future. Here are some of her top tips for achieving financial success. These tips are practical, easy to implement, and can make a significant difference in your financial health. Track your spending. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to taking control. Use apps or a simple notebook to record every expense, no matter how small. Create a realistic budget. Allocate your income wisely, prioritizing needs over wants. A well-planned budget can help you avoid unnecessary debt and ensure you have enough for essentials. Negotiate lower interest rates. Contact your creditors and see if you can secure lower rates on your debts. This can save you a significant amount of money over time. Avoid impulse purchases. Think before you buy and ask yourself if the purchase aligns with your goals. Impulse buying can derail your budget and lead to unnecessary expenses. Cook at home more often. Eating out can be a significant expense. Preparing meals at home is a great way to save money. Plus, it can be healthier and more satisfying. Find free or low-cost entertainment. Explore local parks, museums, and community events for affordable entertainment options. These activities can be just as enjoyable as expensive outings. Shop around for better deals. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices or look for discounts. Comparison shopping can help you find the best deals and save money. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving effortless. This ensures you consistently save a portion of your income without having to think about it. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. Celebrating milestones can keep you motivated and committed to your financial goals. Regularly review your financial goals. Periodically assess your financial situation and adjust your goals as needed. Staying on top of your finances ensures you remain on the right track. Educate yourself continuously. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read books, attend workshops, and watch videos to expand your knowledge. Section 10. Real-life inspiration stories of debt-free living. Countless individuals and families have successfully implemented Gail Vaz-Oxlade's principles and achieved debt freedom. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of financial literacy and determination. From single parents paying off student loans to couples escaping credit card debt, these real-life examples demonstrate that financial freedom is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort. These stories often highlight the transformative impact of becoming debt-free, showcasing the emotional and psychological benefits of financial well-being. They serve as a source of inspiration and motivation for those just starting their debt-free journey, proving that it's never too late to take control of your finances. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, discipline, and a willingness to challenge your beliefs about money. But with the right tools and mindset, anyone can break free from the chains of debt and create a life of financial security. Gail Vaz-Oxlade's Debt-Free Forever provides a roadmap to help you navigate this journey. By understanding your debt, creating a budget, implementing a debt repayment plan, and adopting mindful spending habits, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, you are in control of your finances. Take the first step today and embark on your journey to financial freedom. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Am I the only one that's drowning in debt? Rising interest rates got you down? Try focusing on the smallest debt first. Paying it off boosts your confidence and reduces stress. You've got this. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.